The amount of wood and paper we throw away each year is enough to heat 50 million homes for 20 years. Believe it or not, being wasteful doesn't just affect you, it affects everybody. It affects your environment, your wallet, your health. It even affects helpless animals that have to suffer because of our laziness and carelessness. After recently being affected by Hurricane Sandy and seeing all the waste that had been washed away at the beaches such as Seaside and Point Pleasant, I realized how truly lazy and inconsiderate humans are of their surroundings. It's vital that we come together little by little and help the earth become a better place. Even if it's little things such as turning off the water faucet when you brush your teeth or taking a 10-minute shower instead of a 15-minute one, everything counts. Many people associate the term going green with reduce, reuse, and recycle, but it's much more than three simple words. It's a lifestyle. Being environmentally friendly will not only satisfy your personal health, but will also help the world you live in become a better place for years to come. First, I would like to talk about the benefits of being environmentally friendly has on your wallet. A lot of people think being environmentally friendly costs a lot, but if you get the big things like solar panels and water tanks, they do cost a lot initially, but if you're staying in your home for a long period of time, they're worth it. Besides the big expenses, Besides the big expenses there are, many eco-friendly products and different ways to be green can actually save you money. According to Kylie Ofew, the author of 365 Ways to Make Money, you should make your own cleaning products to save money. It's actually really easy to clean lots of things without using harsh chemicals. Just using bicarb, soda, and vinegar, there are a range of things you can do from cleaning the bathroom to cleaning the oven. You can find a lot of recipes for your own cleaning products because I don't know them from the top of my head. Another way to save money is to use up all of your food and reduce waste. It seems the more affluent a society becomes, the happier we are to throw away food. Many reports suggest that we are throwing away 1/5 of the food we buy each year. So instead of getting new food every night, eat those leftovers from Sunday night. It's not hurting you. If anything, it's going to help you. Another way you could save money is by reducing electricity and water usage. This is an obvious one, yet so many people still leave lights on in rooms and leave chargers plugged in when they're not even charging. Many appliances are still using 10 to 15% power when in standby, so if you're not using it, definitely unplug it. As for water, take shorter showers like I mentioned before. Another way to save money is to use the car less. Another obvious one, and it's a lot easier said than done for many people. But if you can walk somewhere or ride a bike instead, it will save you a considerable amount of money in petrol and car maintenance. Another way to save money is by buying used. A lot of people might consider buying used sometimes cheap, but there are a lot of things you can find that may benefit you. Another way to save money is to buy what you need and use what you buy. We live in a time when people buy for the sake of buying. We have whole TV shows about hoarders and people actually dying by being crushed from all their stuff. I just don't understand why we feel the need to have everything. I don't know. Another way to save money is to learn to reduce, reuse, and recycle everything. Years ago, our parents and grandparents used things as much as possible, and we live in a throwaway society, and it's ultimately killing the planet. Reduce what you consume, reuse what you can, and recycle the rest. Now that I have mentioned how being environmentally friendly can help save money, it can also help save innocent animals. By 2025, as many as 1/5 of all animal species may be lost and gone forever. In recent times, hundreds of species have become extinct as a result of human activities. One day your child may ask, what does a cat look like or what does a bear look like? We don't want it to come to that. Just some of the animals that appear on the endangered species list are great apes, marine turtles, elephants, pandas, rhinos, everyday animals, animals that we see at the zoo all over the animals that we see at the zoo all the time. If we don't do anything, we're going to have to travel to one zoo just to see all these animals. We can make a difference by being environmentally aware in our everyday lives. Organic living is not just a trend, it's a lifeline. Be aware when shopping for groceries and be careful of what chemicals we allow into our environment. One of the easiest things we can do is to recycle. Plastic discards remain a serious problem for marine wildlife. Recycling offers a simple solution. The EPA estimates that more than 100,000 marine mammals die each year from ingestion with floating plastic debris. Recycling plastic helps keep these hazardous substances away from the wildlife, while humans also benefit from clean beaches and wetlands. Keeping these habitats healthy can humans can benefit from for the purpose of fishing and tourism. Lastly, going green has become increasingly popular as people around the world are becoming more aware of their impact on the environment. An indirect benefit of going green is that it can simultaneously improve your overall health along with the health of the planet. Going green improves the health of humans, animals, and the earth either directly or indirectly. Making changes, even slowly, is a move in the right direction for preserving the natural resources and preventing illnesses. According to Rebecca Lake, a writer for the Livestrong website, the Environmental Working Group has identified 315 pollutants in the United States since 2004. More than one half are approved by health regulations but many exceed acceptable levels. The top 4 regulated contaminants include disinfectants, chlorine, fertilizer, and chloroform bacteria. All of these can cause health problems such as developmental defects and even cancer. To make your drinking water safe, Rebecca Lake suggests that you invest in a certified water or carbon filter just to protect you from what it can do. As for processed foods, by reducing your consumption of these foods, you are living both greener and healthier. Processed foods are higher in calories, fat, sodium, and sugar, so reducing or removing these foods from your diet improves your health substantially. Choosing local organic foods reduces ingestion of pesticides and herbicides and supports your local farming economy. According to the CDC, or the Centers for Disease Control, eating green foods can help to reduce your intake of these chemicals as well as sodium and sugar, which can contribute to obesity, heart disease, and cancer. Part of going green involves reducing the amount of greenhouse gases and gas emissions that can potentially pollute the atmosphere. So, breathing better air is another way that is an obvious way that improves your health. This can be accomplished in a number of different ways, such as recycling, driving less, and conserving your energy usage, which typically requires the burning of fossil fuels such as coal or oil, which can contribute to air pollution. Going green allows you to breathe cleaner air, and if you have asthma or allergies, this can be a particular welcome side effect. In conclusion, there are no excuses anymore. You can do little things to not only improve the environment, but to improve your health as well. By going green, you will help the environment, therefore creating a cleaner, better world for your generations, your health, animals such as the polar bears who is on the endangered species list, and you can save money by converting to energy-saving appliances, cars, and windows. Think of the earth as your home. You want to keep it clean, you want to protect it, you want to make sure it's safe and durable for the years to come. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. 3 words that you need to keep repeating, and though they're 3 simple words, these 3 simple words will not only save you money, but they will save the animals, and it will ultimately save your home, the earth.